Now we are ready to understand science of food. What is our aim? To live principle and philosophy of Kriyayoga, that is, not to harm anyone. I want to maintain this visible presence of God. If you are trying to disturb another manifestation of God, then this is called inhumanity. How to understand it more clearly? Let us try to observe the behavior of seeds, grains, and associated part. Let us have corn seed. One try to boil corn seed or crush it and eat it, then you will find there is no any pain in that. The seed is under effect of anesthesia, having no pain inside. When the same seed we are growing and it has become plant, if you are cutting and plucking the immature corn, as we like soft corn, immature corn, when you steam it, boil it. In the process of boiling, steaming, then we are creating pain in them. By giving pain to anyone, if we satisfy our hunger, this is called inhumanity. Therefore, when we eat corn in this style, this is called practicing inhumanity. Then we will not have peace. Why we are doing it? Because of ignorance. We are not knowing it. Now let us decide we will eat corn but mature seed, not immature. Then one mistake is removed. Let us have another example. We like eat a raw vegetable. Let us take example of carrot. When we eat carrot, let us find out the nature of seed of carrot and carrot what we eat. When seed of carrot, try to observe it, when you chew it or boil it or crush it, the seeds are under effect of anesthesia. They don't get any pain. When we are eating carrot, that is the root. When we sow the seed, we get a root and leaves. If you are eating that yellow part of the root, then you are disturbing life cycle and they get pain. When you cut the carrot with the knife, they get pain. By giving pain to anyone, we satisfy our hunger. This is inhumanity. This is against path of self-realization. Then let us sow the carrot seed. Let maintain its growth. When carrot will reach to the full mature stage, there will be flowering. Then there will be fruits. When fruits become mature, the leaves and stem and root dried. Then harvest that seed. Try to eat that seed as we eat mustard seed, sesame seed, many other seeds. Then we are not disturbing, we are not giving any pain to the carrot consciousness. This is the way how to eat. But somebody was reading lessons of Paramahansa Yogananda, where it is given that eating the raw vegetable, raw fruits is a good. Then Paramahansa Yogananda manifested before me very nicely, and he requested me to change it. Therefore, I am changing it because he demanded. I am confessing it. He said many things, I don't say other things. I am telling only one point. He has requested me to change this paragraph, this philosophy. And only he pointed out to me to find out this in the Bible. In Genesis 1:29-30, it is given very clearly. Our food is seed and grains and mature fruits with the seed. Therefore, Paramahansa Yogananda requested and became very happy that I am fulfilling his dream, is spreading Kriyayoga in India. Then he requested me to just add this philosophy into the lessons. Therefore, remember, suppose that if Yogananda will come, as you imagine, he will edit everything. He wrote Autobiography of Yogi in 1946. After that, he edited 3 times. Last edition was 1951. Therefore, Prophet comes again to edit the teaching according to the understanding. When Yogananda was there, he was complete vegetarian. He opened vegetarian restaurant. But still he was offering egg. Because somebody cannot live without non-veg, then he was offering. And he was cooking himself to give it. Therefore, remember, when Jesus Christ came, he edited teaching of Krishna Bhagavan, Buddha, in different way according to the present time. When Krishna came, he edited teaching of the Ram. He taught the same thing, but he changed according to the present condition. Therefore, Paramahansa Yogananda is just requested to add this point, and I did it. We had very long talk, many things, but it is not advised to tell. But I am telling only one point. That do not have this confusion that in the Saraf lesson, these things are given, then it is the complete no. Second thing, regarding the dairy. We human beings having our own mother. We are authorized to drink of my own mother. I am not authorized to drink of anybody other's mother. Let the child of the cow should have the cow milk. But cows having 20 liters, how child will drink all? Cows having 20 liters because we are holding cow, we are tying it. When try to leave children and cow together in the forest, the breast starts reducing its shape and size. Because each an organ is having habit. Suppose that you are doing bumping exercise, you will find that this triceps, biceps will start bumping. When it will attain its bigger size, then this have a habit. Biceps, triceps will have habit to remain the same. In the same way, each and every structure is living with the habit. Then we have changed the genetic character of the cows by infusing something. Then we have big the breast and having good amount of the milk. Because when we sell, we get money. We think we need that ignorance should go. Money will not remove ignorance. It is the teaching of the Jesus Christ will remove ignorance. Food will come automatically what I want. When I am born, milk came in my mother. Good care. You should believe when we are each day newborn, twice born each day, then we will be looked after very nicely. When our spiritual growth is stagnant, we feel stress. Suppose that we are grade 9th student, next year again 9th, next year again 9th. From 10 years we are in the 9th. You will feel stress or not. If you are growing spiritually, now my growth is stopped. You will have lot of stress. Therefore, twice born means every day next birth. Even every moment next birth. When you are born twice, then you will have the power to see the kingdom of God. Moment you will see it, then you have to enter into that. When you are born of spirit and water, then you will have power to enter into that. When you enter into that, keep journey on till you realize I and God are one. Now what is the conclusion of the science of food? Our food is grains and seeds mature and fruits mature. If any other things we are eating, we are disturbing our system. Still, if my mind is not having habit of eating those things, then do not torture your mind. Try to reduce quantity of meat slowly. You reduce quantity of immature food slowly. Then after a few years you will find that you are eating exactly what Bible teaches. Do not torture your mind. Mind is also a great friend. God has become mind. Your mind is habitual of certain food. Do not try to give stress to the mind. Eat the same but request reduce the quantity, please. I have 20 cigar every day. Oh, please, can you reduce one? Yes, 19 is okay. Mind will accept. Oh, please, one more. Then tomorrow 18 will be okay. A time will come, we will have only 5 cigar in one day. Then morning, evening, one. Then I will make half morning, half evening. Then I will take only half. Then goodbye. This is the way not to torture mind and wisdom also. Because 24 elders, they are one with God. They have decided together and manifest in this form head to toes. This is about science of food. The greatest food, Kriyayoga meditation. Please do not miss this practice.